Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, your warm front is moving northward. It's about right here. So we're in the 70s down in our southern counties. We were pushing 80 down in southern Fountain County while we're in the 60s in the north. But the warm front is there, but the much higher dew points, where it's much more humid, is a little farther to the south. So the thinking this evening is certainly the bigger, more robust severe weather risk, with tornado risk especially, is going to be just south of our area. But with the warm front moving just far enough to the north and a pretty strong cold front, actually a couple cold fronts passing through, we will get in on these showers and storms. Looks like kind of a line of storms coming through this evening between about 7 and 11 p.m. roughly. I mean, here we are, 6:15. These storms down here are lined up along I-55 in central Illinois and are moving east-northeastward, so it's still going to take some time to get here, but nonetheless, we will have this little round that goes through with the slight risk of severe, and the threat would be a couple severe wind gusts, maybe a little hail, and the bigger risk with wind, hail, tornadoes in that kind of tan or orange zone, southwest Indiana and southern Illinois. Then it gets windy and cooler with a low 45 tonight with that strong wind from the northwest. 41 to 47, going to feel like the 30s tomorrow with highs tomorrow in the 50s. Still pretty strong northwest wind. We are partly cloudy. 57 Lafayette, mid-50s Logansport, about 56 at Remington and Rensselaer. Cool on Saturday. We're partly cloudy to mostly sunny. Still a pretty strong wind from the northwest. No frost issues Saturday morning, but we're still going to drop into the 30s, about 35 to 40 for lows, and then mid-50s for highs in the afternoon in Greater Lafayette. But 54 Flora, low 50s at Monticello, and low 50s with a pretty stiff wind up at Remington. There's around 9 o'clock tonight. Here come the showers and storms from the west. A little bit of a line here of storms coming through. Towards like 10, between 10 and 10:30, it's already Winnemac to Crawfordsville. Then by, once we get past 11, this thing zips out of here. It's fast moving, just a couple lingering showers, and then just partly cloudy tomorrow. And even into Saturday, we're partly cloudy to mostly sunny for the skies during the afternoon. Really our best chance of getting some frost in here is going to be Monday morning. We may have a couple patches on Sunday morning, but it's Monday morning where we could drop down to about 31, 32 degrees over the area. Rainfall tonight, the fast movement of the rain and storms will mitigate higher rainfall totals. That being said, they're going to run about a third to about 3/4, 8/10 of an inch for the area. So a soaking of our soils, but then they dry out next week with a lot of dry air. Just a few rain showers from this little clipper system Tuesday. Otherwise, we're going to have to wait until the following weekend and early that following week to get more widespread storms in. So to kind of summarize everything, 63 Monday after 32 in the morning, 66 Tuesday, a few showers in the afternoon from a little clipper system zipping through, 1/10 of an inch or less of rainfall. A little cooler though next week, and it does look like we may see a few patches of frost Thursday morning, and then we warm right back up. In fact, we're in the 80s by later next weekend and that following week with some more storms coming back in.